Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a blur video background like a mirrorless camera video only by using CapCut. So in here, I've already prepared a clips, and what you need to do is first copy the clip and then click on the first clip and make it as overlay. Okay, so it will align like this. Then click on the overlay video, go to cutout and choose to remove the background. Wait for the process to finish. Click on the check icon when it's done and then just go back, go to the video effects, click on the lens, then select the blur effect, this one, and adjust the blur to make it more realistic. I'm going to go with 18. Okay, after that click on the check icon and adjust the blur until the end of the clips, and you are done, and you'll have that blur background in your video. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.